Here's how to fix a low-level exception occurred in Adobe Premiere Pro. So this error typically occurs if you're importing MPEG files. So what you can do is change the render settings to try to solve this issue. So you can simply go to File, Project Settings, General. Then in here, make sure it's Mercury Playback Engine software only. If you don't have it selected, make sure you select this one and then press OK. Next, what you can do is clear your media cache by going to Edit, Preferences, and then Media Cache. And in here, you will need to press Delete and then check Delete Unused Media Cache Files. Press OK. Now you can press OK again. Next, what you can do is go to Edit again, Preferences, and then Media. And then in here, make sure you uncheck Hardware Accelerated Decoding. And then simply press OK, and that will require your program or Adobe to be restarted. And that's pretty much it. If you follow these steps, that should generally solve your problem. And thank you guys for watching and subscribe.